Hey guys, welcome back with another video.
My name is Adi Joshi.
And today we are learn color correction of image in different way. Let's start.
Now the first way of color correction is simply press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, go to image, adjustment, and here you can see the match color option. Click here to match color. Simply increase the color intensity. Here you can see color intensity equal to 200%. Press OK. Now here you can see before and after, before and after. It is very normal way. Second method is simply press Ctrl J. Now duplicate layer is active. Turn off the background layer. Go to image, adjustment and label. Simply adjust according to your image. Then press OK. Go to image, adjustment and color balance. Here if your image is too red, then decrease the red, and your image is too green or magenta, then decrease or increase according to your image. Here you can see now yellow. Go to highlight and adjust according to your image. Go to shadow. Here you can see, and it also adjust according to your image. Like this. Then press OK. Again go to image, adjustment and curve. Increase the brightness. Here RGB option is here, channel. Go to red. Decrease the red. Increase, simply I increase according to my image. Then go to green. Then go to blue and press OK. Then you can see before, after, before, after. I hope you enjoy this video. Please hit like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries, please comment.